Meaning of darkie.
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 Darkie. The term darkie is a derogatory slang word used to refer to people with dark skin, particularly those of African descent. The word has a long history of being used in a negative and discriminatory way to describe black people. Its usage is considered offensive and highly inappropriate as it perpetuates harmful stereotypes and reinforces systemic racism. As a society, we must be vigilant in stamping out such language and promoting a culture of respect and inclusivity towards all individuals, regardless of their racial background.